In this video, I'll show you how to install paper inside of your Canon Selphy printers. Could be the Selphy CP1300, or I have also the CP1500. It's exactly the same process. First, you need to take the paper tray, the one that came with the printer, and then open up the first part of this paper tray. Okay, so this part stays at an angle. This is where the picture that is printed will rest. This is why it's like this. Then there's a second compartment that you need to open simply by pushing this piece of plastic, and it opens up, and this is where you're going to put the paper that will go inside of the printer. Here I have some paper. This is a 4x6 postcard size, the one that came with the printer. Always put the glossy side facing up. You don't need to adjust anything, just let the paper go in the compartment and you're done. Never put more than 18 sheets of paper in this compartment because you risk breaking your printer by doing this. When you're done, just close the first lid like this, click in place, and you need to let the second part there open at an angle. Then you need to open the front door of your printer. On the CP1300, it's like this. You need to push on the sides on the CP1500. And you see there's two prongs there where these will attach to this part over here of the printer. You just need to slide it, and it's easier if the printer is on a table. Just slide it gently until it clicks in place. You're gonna feel it. Let me show you a close-up over here. You see, just push it and it clicks in place. And to remove it, you just have to pull it out. There's nothing special you need to do. Same thing on the CP1500. Just push it, and that's all. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below and also like this video. Check the affiliate Amazon links in the description if you want to support this channel, and I will see you in the next one.